Children, so we are going to discuss about the multiples and submultiples. Multiples and submultiples. So these are very important in doing the conversions and doing the calculations. First, now I am writing multiple values here along with the symbols and prefix values, and submultiples, symbols and prefix values. Multiple, prefix, symbol, submultiple, prefix, symbol. So here these are very important. Right. So another multiple, first one is 10 or 10 power 1. If nothing is there in the power of 10, then there will be 1. So this is what we call as deca. Symbol is D. DA. Okay. And next one is 10 power 2. Hectare. H. Next one, 10 power 3. Kilo. K. 10 power 6. Mega. M. 10 power 9. Giga. G. 10 power 12. Tera. 7th one. 10 power 15. Peta. H one. 10 power 18. Exa. So not only this, there are two more are there, but up to this there is enough. But so the remaining two also I will say here. Ninth one is 10 power 21. So actually there is no need. Okay, up to 18 is enough. Exa. And coming to the submultiples, first one is 10 power minus 1. Deci, small d. 10 power minus 2. Centi, C. 10 power minus 3. Milli, small m. Fourth one, 10 power minus 6. Micro, mu, we call it as mu. Fifth one, 10 power minus 9. Nano, n. 10 power minus 12. Pico, small p. 10 power minus 15. Femto or Fermi, small f. 8th one, 10 power minus 18. Atto, small e. So these are very important, children. So while doing the conversions and while doing the problems, these symbols, prefix values and submultiple values and multiple values are very important in doing the problems. Once revise these and recollect if you already know. Okay, so these values are very important. Now in this class I am going to do some examples Based upon these conversions and how to do the conversions, we will check in this class, right? Right. So example programs. Now I am doing example on conversion. First one, convert 25 meters to centimeters. So in our previous class we have the formula n1 u1 is equal to n2 u2. So based upon this we can convert. Okay. So n1 u1 here 25 meters. n1 is equal to 25, u1 is equal to meters, n2 we have to find out, u2 is centimeters. u2 is centimeters. So we need n2. By above formula, n2 is equal to n1 u1 by u2. n2 is equal to n1 u1 by u2. That is equal to n2 is equal to n1 25, u1 meter by u2 centimeter. So n2 is equal to 25 into meter by centi. So here centi value how can we know? By the previous table, multiples and submultiples. In that multiples and submultiples, the value of centi is 10 power minus 2 and meter, write the meter as it is, and c value is 10 power minus 2. Meter gets cancelled. So n2 is equal to 25 into. Here 10 power minus 2 is in denominator and it is in division form. If we send this to numerator, it becomes 10 power plus 2. This 10 power minus 2 will become 10 power 2. So it is the answer, or else n2 is equal to 2500. So that 25 meters is equal to, therefore 25 meters is equal to 2500 centimeters. 2500 centimeters. Or same another model. So this model which I am doing regularly based upon this formula. Without having this formula, if you forget this formula, there is no problem. Simply by 4 steps we can do this problem. So that is, so what we have to convert? 25 meters is equal to dash centimeters. So don't worry if you forget this formula. So another method is left hand value, right hand value. Left hand value, right hand value. So in these two methods we must remember that multiples and submultiples table. That is important. Without that table we cannot do anything. Right. So 25 meters is equal to dash centimeters. Left hand value, right hand value. Step 1. Left hand value by right hand value. That is equal to 25 meters by centimeters. Step 2. Placing the multiple or submultiple value. Step 2. That means that implies 25 meters by centi. Centi value is 10 power minus 2 meter. Same, of course, same process, but it's easy than this. We may not remember this n1 u1 or n2 u2. If you remember this, no problem. Or else you can do this in this way. From here onwards, the same process. 25 into 25 meters by 10 power minus 2 meter. So here meter gets cancelled since these two are same terms. Step 3. Placing the denominator to numerator. Then place 20 numerator, the power values may change. The power value changes. That means 25 into 10 power minus 2. The power value should change. That means 10 power 2. Step 4 multiplication. That place 25 into 10 power 2, which means that 2500. So it is the answer. So that 25 meters is equal to 2500 centimeters. In this way, we can do the conversions. It is one model, one type of model. So here we have only one part. There is no denominator part. While doing this problem, we have only numerator part. Okay, and it also the unit values has no power values. That means it is for length only. It is not for any area and not for volume. Okay. Now, second model. Now, second model. Same problem. We are taking the same problem. Right? First model regarding length and second model regarding the area. 25 meter square is equal to dash centimeter square. 25 meter square is equal to dash centimeter square. So, how we can do that problem? So I am always following my method. So my method is easy, I think. So that I am doing in my method. First step 1. Left hand value by right hand value. Left hand value by right hand value. What is left hand value? 25 meter square by centimeter square. We are converting. So 25 meter square, that is equal to, here meter square is repeating 2 times, so that it can be written as 25 into meter by centimeter into centimeter. Denominator also square times centimeter into centimeter. Remember children, if it is meter square and this is for area, and the conversion should also take place in powers 2 only, meter square, so centimeter square only. If it is cube, not possible. If it is 1, not possible. If it is not other than 2, it is not possible. So here centimeter into centimeter. Second step. What is the second step? Substituting multiples by submultiple values. Multiples by submultiple values. So that is equal to 25 into right meter into meter. Why we are writing the meter? Why we are not converting the meter into other forms? Because here meter only is there. There is no multiple or submultiple in front of the meter. Here there is multiple is there, submultiple is there, centi. Like this, there is no multiple or submultiple in front of the meter. So right, that's why meter is the basic. That's why we are writing that meter as it is by centimeter into centimeter. What is the value of centi? By multiples and submultiples table. The centi value is 10 power minus 2. Meter is there into again centi 10 power minus 2. Meter is there. So this meter and this meter gets cancelled. Next, what is the final value? That is equal to 25 by 10 power minus 2 into 10 power minus 2. What is the third step? Third step is sending denominator to numerator, then change in power values. So that is equal to 25 into 10 power minus 2 becomes 10 power plus 2, and this 10 power minus 2 becomes 10 power plus 2. Step 4, multiplication. Okay, that is equal to 25 into, when the bases are same, what should be added? 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2, because since when the bases are same, power should be added. Power should be added. So 25 into 2, 10 power 2 plus 2. So that is equal to 25 into 10 power 4. So 25 it is answer. Therefore, answer is 25 meter square is equal to 25 into 10 power 4 centimeter square is the answer. Okay, children. So this is second model, and third model we will discuss it in the next class. In that model, we have numerator part and denominator part also. Okay, this is the second model, right? Is that clear? Okay, children. So this is what regarding conversions. We will continue this in the next class. In the next class, we are going to learn about numerator part and denominator part, and how to do the conversions in two different types of systems from one form to another form. Okay, Namma? Thank you.